We're on the Sand Serpent at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay.
You know what I did.
Yeah, I had to get secure.
I gotta be stapled. Oh. Oh. See what I mean? Watch the elbow. I'm trying to tuck my elbows in.
Those trim brakes are rough on these wild mouses.
Wild mice?
Mice, yeah, I guess I'm.
Oh! Ow!
Ow! It's usually the trim brakes at the end are really bad.
Yeah, brace yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, we're the only ones here. They can keep moving. They don't have to start us every time.
Initial reaction?
It's a wild mouse.
Typical wild mouse. It was alright, not bad. Yeah. Thanks
It gets you one closer to 100.
Yep. This is 97, I think, so. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure and stay tuned for more adventures on the adventure site.
Yep.